this weekend we put the 1.5 inch lift in the front end. We put our Goodrich KO 2 tires on. I'm pretty impressed with the lift. Definitely brings the front end up and levels it out nicely. We only had to do a little trimming on the one back wheel on the left. The other side was actually perfect with no issues, and that seems to be what's indicative of how it goes. You get one, but you don't end up having to do the other one. This one ended up having lots of room on the right side. I may trim that off just for snow purposes, but that's stock the way it came. And it's fairly easy. There's a couple of guys with some good videos on exactly how to do that. And so there it is with the front lift, the tires and wheels and the rack.